Elon's XAI is suing a former star engineer for alleged corporate espionage, stealing critical trade secrets of its Grok chatbot and attempting to take them to none other than its rival OpenAI. This is a wild story capturing really the essence of the AI war, and today we're going to break it down. Let's jump into it. So as most already know, XAI is Elon Musk's AI company like ChatGPT or Anthropic that's competing to build artificial general intelligence. And their flagship product, Grok, is designed to be a superior, faster, and perhaps a little more unfiltered version of ChatGPT. Now, Grok has really exploded onto the scene and become one of the forefront models because Elon's been great at recruiting talent and bringing in strong engineers, one of which was a brilliant Stanford-trained researcher, Xuechen Li, a Chinese national who joined XAI or Grok as one of its very first 20 engineers. Li was instrumental in building and training Grok at the early days, and for all intents and purposes, he was just your standard kind of AI researcher, genius engineer. But the plot really started to thicken when, in early 2025, Li began cashing out his XAI stock, accumulating roughly $4.7 million in the process. Soon thereafter, in July, Li accepted a job offer from OpenAI to start working on AI research there. Now, this is normal. We've all seen the AI talent wars, people offering gigantic numbers to bring over AI talent, but this is where XAI's allegations actually get explosive. On July 25th, Li allegedly downloaded extensive confidential files from his XAI laptop to personal devices, renaming and compressing them. Actions XAI claimed were designed to conceal his tracks. The same day, he persuaded XAI to liquidate another $2.2 million in shares, bringing his total cash out to a staggering $7 million. Soon after this, Li resigned from XAI. But the story doesn't end there. In mid-August, confronted by XAI with his attorney president, Li reportedly admitted to misappropriating confidential information and in a handwritten statement, confessed to deleting browser history and system logs to cover his tracks. Now you'd think that'd be the end of it, but XAI's subsequent investigation uncovered even more stolen material that Li hadn't disclosed. This wasn't just a few documents. The lawsuit alleges he took extensive cutting-edge AI technologies with features superior to those offered by ChatGPT. XAI claims this stolen information could save competitors like OpenAI billions in R&D and years of engineering effort, giving them a potentially insurmountable competitive advantage. It's the AI equivalent of walking out with the blueprint for the next iPhone. From here, the drama goes public when Elon Musk himself took to X, amplifying the claims by stating Li uploaded XAI's entire code base to OpenAI servers. While the official lawsuit refers more broadly to confidential information, the implications are staggering. We're talking about a potential leak that could be one of the biggest in the history of artificial intelligence. So what exactly does XAI want? Well, for starters, they filed a federal lawsuit seeking an injunction to prevent Li from joining OpenAI or any other AI competitor during the ongoing case. Essentially desperate to stop the bleeding and stop the disclosure of any other sensitive AI technology. They're also seeking unspecified monetary damages for breach of contract and theft of trade secrets. Now, this lawsuit filed on August 28, 2025 isn't just about one former employee either. It deepens the already frosty relationship between Elon Musk and OpenAI, a company he co-founded but left over fundamental disagreements about its direction. Musk has already sued OpenAI and Sam Altman over alleged anti-competitive practices, and this Li lawsuit just adds another layer of animosity and legal complexity to the relationship. If XAI's allegations are proven true, this case could set critical precedents for prosecuting AI trade secret theft in the US. It'll force companies to reevaluate everything, tightening access controls, rethinking retention incentives, and navigating the tricky waters of non-compete clauses, especially in states like California where they're largely unenforceable. This incident also sparked a fiery debate on X about corporate espionage, loyalty, and even the controversial topic of H-1B visas in sensitive tech roles. Overall, definitely a big hit to the AI talent war that's dominated headlines with the frothy $100 million deals that you've seen reported for some of these engineers. As of September 2nd, 2025, the case remains ongoing. The ramifications of this legal battle could reshape how AI firms safeguard their innovations, how they attract and retain the top talent, and ultimately how the race for AI supremacy will be fought. This isn't just about code, it's about control, competition, and the future of an industry that's rapidly changing our world. That's all from me. What do you think about the XAI lawsuit? Is this a case of blatant theft, or will this be a more complex legal battle? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Boardroom Wire, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next breakdown. I'm Boardroom Wire. See you on the next one.